what you're given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed.
Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're just joining us today, I am Miss Didi and you are blessed. So today I will be teaching you all how to create a PayPal account. Like if you're in Nigeria, in any country that doesn't allow receiving and transferring of money on PayPal, this will help you a lot. This is the best way to open a PayPal account. It receives, it sends money. So kindly subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, please. Like and comment. If you have any question, any suggestion, any compliments, just drop it on the comments below and watch out for the video. Thank you so much for always being there to watch my video, to like, to thank you so much. Thank you so much. Tutorial, you'll be needing just one app, your browser. I use Chrome. Like, it's very fast for me due to my phone network is 3G. So Chrome helps me, like it's very faster. So I'll be using Chrome. You can use anyone that is okay for you, your country, your state, your location. So I'm going to click on Chrome. The first you're going to do is, like normal, open your Chrome, put in your keyword. This is our keyword, paypal.com/ls/home. If I just put in paypal.com, due to the fact my VPN, or I say my IP address is in Nigeria, because I'm living in Nigeria, it will just come up with paypal.com.ng, and that's the one that doesn't allow the receiving of money. You can only send, but you can't receive. But if you use paypal.com/ls/home, it receives and it transfers money. So let's continue. Click on go. So this is the dashboard. Everything, this is how it used to be. So this is it. Now we click for look at business here. Individual, if you want to create your own personal account for your business, for your partner and developers. So we'll be creating a business account. So you click on learn more. Allow it to load. Now we click on get started to open to create an account. That's the reason why you're clicking on get started. This is the next thing you're seeing. So you put in your email address. So make sure that email address you're putting in is the one that you have not used to open any PayPal account before. Like, it's a fresh Gmail account. Like, I just opened this one because of this tutorial. So let's put in our tutorial. So this is it. So click on continue. So this is everything that I put in your password. So which password should we use? So I'm going to put in my password right now, then I'll continue. So cover your eyes. So click on continue. So this is the next information you're going to be filling in. So I'm going to be explaining this right now. So to fill in your business contact, your business details, your business phone number. Here you can change it to Nigeria. You search for Nigeria. If you're like from any other country, Indian, name it, you can just search for your own country here. You understand what I'm saying? but I'm from Nigeria, so I'll be using Nigeria. Who is my country? And yeah, okay. So this is Nigeria. So you put in your phone number. This is for your business address, everything. So you put it in US dollars. Don't forget you'll be needing a dollar card to link in your just your paper accounts. Understand? A dollar card to link it up. So this is how it's going to be. So let's continue. As you can see, I just make sure the name and everything you're providing here is your accurate that is accurate. Let me put it that way, because if you use another name, it's going to counter, because if you link your paper with your card, your debit card, it will be very hard for it to make transaction. It can hang or not send, because of the name you put in during your paper account is different from the one on the card. So I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. So don't forget to click the agree and continue. Leave this in US dollar unless you're dealing with any other currency that is not Nigerian currency, but like normal is US dollars. So we click on agree and continue. So here, this is where you click your business type. We have non-profit, public, private, partnership, sole proprietor, individual proprietorship, and we have individual. That's the one I want. So for my products or anything, let's check what should be. So we'll be using advertising services, yes, because that's what I actually do on Telegram, Telegraph, anywhere. Yes. So advertising services. So we click on continue. So here we'll be putting on your date of birth, your nationality, identity documents, bro. So let's continue. Was born on the 14th of February 1999. So my nationality is Nigeria. OP. No mind me, this I am still. So my identity document is national ID card. Then you put in your national ID card number, which I'll be putting in later. Then same as business. So for some, or I say security reasons, or I say for my own personal reasons, I'll put in my national ID and then I'll submit. Then I'll show you the next background. I say dash. So when I clicked on my submit, it just came out. So this is the background, so don't be confused. So we just created, we just opened a paper account right now. So the next we're going to be doing is the next you're going to do is to go confirm your email address on your paper account, or your email address. Am I making sense? Go and confirm your paper account on your email address. Just open my Gmail account, and this is it. Like, confirm your email. Click on confirm your email. Don't forget you confirm your email. Confirm your email on my Gmail. I went to my Gmail and I saw this. So what's that? Our password once again. Put in our password. OHPONCO1. Okay. Confirm. Click on confirm email address. So chill is verifying your information. Oh, it's verifying your information. Woo. I have a good voice. Don't ask. Don't thank me. So, hello people. I officially congratulate you. Forever. We just created a new, what I did is I went back to Chrome, then I logged into my business account. So this is how it's going to be, the page. So if you want to link, just click on this. Then you link your PayPal account. You see, if you want to keep your information, link a bank if you want to withdraw your funds. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the method of creating a PayPal account that you use to transfer and receive money either in Nigeria or any other country. So if you want to confirm if this is legit, which is legit, you can transfer money to from your business, from your own personal account to your business account, or you go to Victoria Ajadi's YouTube account. You see where she transferred money. Like, this is the same tutorial. She transferred money from her personal account to her business account. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, click the notification bell, comment if you have a question, a complimentary statement, or any other thing. Thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate you all. See you next week. Bye bye.